Today, we're tackling a big question that could transform your presence on social media. It is, do you need a social media virtual assistant or a social media consultant? Stick around because we're about to explore what each role brings to the table, their key responsibilities, and help you decide which is the best fit for your needs. Plus, we're sharing 2 bonuses for you. First is a secret tool that can lessen your manual tasks across multiple platforms from Facebook to Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, and Pinterest, and a freebie to help with your marketing needs. So let's get started. If you're running a business, having a great social media presence isn't just nice to have. It's absolutely essential so you can bring in qualified leads to your business. But social media management can be quite the challenge for entrepreneurs. It can take you away from the more crucial aspects of your business because social media requires you time, skills, expertise, and strategy. That's where social media VAs and consultants can help. But how do you know which one you need? First up, what is a social media virtual assistant? Now, a social media VA maintains an active and engaging online presence for your business. They specifically handle the day-to-day tasks that are essential for keeping your social media relevant to the right audience. Their tasks include creating and scheduling posts. This means they generate the content, whether it's text, images, or videos. And then they plan when this content will go live on platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. This ensures your social media feeds remain fresh and engaging to your followers. Engagement with your community is another key role for the social media VAs. They directly interact with your audience by responding to comments, messages, and jumping into online conversations. This helps in building a strong relationship with your followers, making them feel valued and heard. They also monitor basic analytics. This involves tracking the performance of your social media content to understand what works best with your audience. They look at likes, shares, comments, and overall engagement to gauge the effectiveness of different types of posts. So in essence, a social media VA keeps your social media accounts active, your audience engaged, and provides insights into content performance. They execute your social media strategy on a daily basis, allowing you to focus on your other business needs. And if you're already looking for a social media VA, then you're in luck. At our company, Outsourcing Angel, we've matched hundreds of business owners with Filipino VAs. They're known for their high quality work at competitive rates, making them a fantastic choice for many businesses looking for English proficient social media VAs. Just go to outsourcingangel.com/discovery or click the link in the description below to book a free discovery call with us. We'll find you a social media VA that fits your specific needs. And our staff will even give them bonuses, medical benefits, reward systems, and more. Now let's talk about social media consultants. A social media consultant is the brains behind your strategy, but they do more than just suggest content ideas. They focus on the big picture planning to optimize your online presence. Let's break down what that means. First, they start by understanding your business inside and out, identifying your goals, target audience, and what makes your brand unique. With these insights, they craft a tailored social media strategy that aligns perfectly with your business objectives. Whether you're looking to boost your brand awareness, increase engagement, or drive sales, they plot out the actual steps to get you there. But it's not just about what you post, it's also about how your brand speaks. Social media consultants also ensure your brand voice is not only consistent across all platforms, but also resonates with your audience. They help pinpoint the tone, style, and messaging that best represent your brand and make sure it's reflected in every tweet, post, and story. They also dive deep into your social media data, which will help you to analyze which types of content perform well, understand your audience's behaviors, and track the ROI of your campaigns. Some consultants may offer a one-time review, but it's best to continuously monitor your performance so you can identify trends and opportunities to tweak your approach. Using this analysis, consultants can fine-tune your strategy and help you make data-driven decisions to ensure your social media efforts yield the best possible results. So to recap, social media consultants are there to ensure your social media efforts are strategic, cohesive, and effectively aligned with your business's goals. Together with a social media VA, consultants navigate the complex digital landscape for you so you can focus on running your business instead. Now, you might be wondering how a social media consultant differs from a social media manager. While consultant focuses on high-level strategy, a manager or VA acting as a manager takes that strategy and puts into action. They're the ones creating content and engaging with your audience to keep your social media presence active. In our team, for example, our amazing social media manager, Victoria, started her journey as a social media virtual assistant. Now she strategizes our approach for multiple platforms from Facebook to YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, and more. It's a testament to how VAs can grow into roles with more responsibility and impact within your business. If you want to learn more about ways we can empower VAs on your behalf, just click on this video to check out the perks your chosen VA can get from our team. So now, how do you choose between a social media VA and a consultant? Here are some quick tips. If you're overwhelmed with the daily task of social media management, a social media VA is your best bet. They can significantly lighten your load, allowing you to focus on other business areas. But if you're unsure about your social media direction or not seeing the results you hope for, a consultant can provide the expertise you need to navigate social media with more success. If you're on a limited budget, VAs tend to be more affordable and are ideal for businesses looking to outsource routine social media tasks without breaking the bank. And sometimes the best approach is a combination of both. A consultant can devise a strategy while a VA brings it to life with the necessary daily tasks. Now, I'm going to be honest, these daily social media tasks can be a lot to handle, especially if you want to be active on multiple platforms. It may be too much for just one VA to carry out all the strategies from a consultant. But here's the good news. You can lessen your manual social media tasks with just one secret tool. Notion Ninja was created by our automation team at Outsourcing Angel. It can help you to skip multiple logins on your social media accounts, auto-publish scheduled posts straight from your Notion or ClickUp space, and experience unlimited auto-posting on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, and Pinterest. You can try Notion Ninja by going to outsourcingangel.com/Notion Ninja. And there you have it, social media VAs versus consultants. Your social media is now an undeniable part of successful business marketing. Whether you opt for a VA or consultant, or both, it depends on your current situation and where you want to take your business. So there you have it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with all our latest content. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you again next time.